Have you ever wondered whether the mysteries of the universe could be lurking under the sea, right off the coast of Japan? Welcome to our deep dive into the enigmatic world of underwater UFO anomalies. It's a topic that's been stirring up waves of curiosity, not just among UFO enthusiasts, but also among the broader public. From the depths of the Pacific Ocean, off Japan's coast, come stories of strange occurrences, unidentified submerged objects, or USOs, that defy conventional explanations. These underwater UFOs, or as some prefer, unidentified aquatic phenomena, have sparked a flurry of interest, with reports of inexplicable lights, untraceable sonar readings, and even eyewitness accounts from seasoned sailors. What could be causing these phenomena? Are we dealing with extraterrestrial visitors, secret military operations, or simply misunderstood natural occurrences? As we delve into this deep-sea mystery, the intrigue only thickens. It's a modern-day enigma, one that has us questioning our understanding of the world and perhaps the universe. As we dive deeper into the ocean's mysteries, we find ourselves facing more questions than answers. To understand these underwater anomalies, we need to delve into the theories that try to explain them. Let's dive into the depths of speculation, shall we? First up, we have the extraterrestrial theory. Some believe that these anomalies are evidence of otherworldly visitors. UFO sightings have often been reported near bodies of water, leading some to suggest that these unidentified objects may be using our oceans as a sort of intergalactic highway. This theory, while thrilling, lacks concrete evidence and relies heavily on anecdotal accounts and interpretations of unexplained phenomena. Next, we have theories suggesting secret military operations. Given the strategic importance of controlling the seas, it's plausible that these anomalies could be the result of clandestine naval exercises or experimental military technology. The underwater UFOs could be stealth submarines or underwater drones developed and tested in utmost secrecy. Then there's the theory of unknown natural phenomena. For instance, the Earth as a giant crystal theory suggests that our planet began as a large crystal that wore down into a spherical shape over time. These crystal formations, according to the theory, could explain geological phenomena and even the patterns of UFO sightings. Bruce Cathy, a New Zealander, developed a similar theory, proposing that UFO sightings align with a global grid pattern. He suggested that this grid could be responsible for natural phenomena and even influence UFO activity. There's also the possibility that these anomalies could be related to undiscovered marine life forms or peculiar underwater geological activity. Our oceans are largely unexplored, and every dive reveals new surprises. Who knows what lurks beneath the surface? While these theories offer fascinating insights, they also open up a world of speculation and debate. But isn't that what makes it all so exciting? The quest for understanding, the thrill of the unknown, the promise of discovery, it's what drives us forward in our pursuit of knowledge. So could these underwater anomalies be proof of extraterrestrial life? This question has been a hot topic for scientists and UFO enthusiasts alike. The possibility of life beyond Earth has always been a tantalizing prospect. And while we have yet to find definitive proof, the evidence that supports this theory is compelling and cannot be easily dismissed. Consider the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. This paradox asks, if there are a potentially infinite number of technologically advanced civilizations in the universe, why haven't we encountered any of them? Some believe that the answer may lie beneath our oceans, in the form of these mysterious underwater anomalies. Now let's talk about the Drake equation, formulated by Frank Drake in 1961. This equation estimates the number of civilizations in our galaxy with which we might be able to communicate. Even with conservative estimates, the equation suggests that there should be a significant number of extraterrestrial civilizations out there. Could these underwater anomalies be their way of reaching out to us? Then there's the phenomenon of the WOW signal, a strong narrowband radio signal received by Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope in 1977. To this day, it remains the strongest candidate for an alien radio transmission ever detected. Combine this with the numerous UFO sightings reported globally each year, many of which are near or over bodies of water, and the case for extraterrestrial life starts to look more plausible. But why would extraterrestrials choose to hide in our oceans? Well, our blue planet is unique in the solar system for its abundance of water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The deep sea, with its extreme conditions, could provide the perfect hiding place for an advanced civilization wishing to observe us undetected. The idea of extraterrestrial life is not without its skeptics, of course, but with each new underwater anomaly discovered and with every new technological advancement, we inch ever closer to potentially answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? If this theory is true, it could fundamentally change our understanding of life in the universe. Could these underwater anomalies be the result of secret military operations? Let's dive a little deeper into this question, shall we? One intriguing theory proposes that these underwater anomalies could be the handiwork of clandestine military operations. This idea is not entirely without merit. Secret military projects have been behind several unexplained phenomena in the past. Remember the Roswell incident of 1947? It was later revealed to be a secret military balloon project. In the case of these underwater anomalies, it's not outside the realm of possibility that they could be connected to covert operations. Perhaps they are linked to advanced submarine technology or maybe even experimental undersea bases. The depths of the ocean remain largely unexplored, making them an ideal location for operations away from prying eyes. Supporters of this theory point to the numerous sightings of unidentified objects in and around military installations. They argue that the military might be testing advanced technology that, to the untrained eye, appears out of this world. A New Zealand man named Bruce Cathy, who was studying UFO sightings, found that these sightings often aligned with a grid he superimposed on a map. He suggested that a small clandestine group had discovered this grid and was using it for unknown purposes. Could this group be a secret military operation? It's a tantalizing thought. However, it's essential to remember that this is just a theory. While it's tempting to believe in secret military operations, solid evidence is lacking. The military's reticence on the subject only fuels speculation. But until there's concrete proof, this theory remains in the realm of conjecture. But let's not dismiss this theory outright. After all, the truth is often stranger than fiction. And the fact that these underwater anomalies continue to baffle experts suggests that something extraordinary is happening beneath the waves. Whether it's a cover-up or a genuine phenomenon, the secret operations theory keeps us guessing. What if these anomalies are simply natural phenomena that we don't fully understand yet? Imagine the Earth as a giant crystal, its formation initiated from a large pentadodecahedron that over time wore down into a spherical shape. This idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. In fact, it was proposed in a report published by the USSR Academy of Sciences back in 1973. The report suggested that this crystal grid coincided with various geological and natural phenomena around the world, including the Bermuda Triangle, ancient Peru, Easter Island, and the Giza Pyramid Complex. Now here's where things get interesting. Around the same time, a chap from New Zealand named Bruce Cathy was working on a similar grid theory, but his focus was on explaining UFO activity. Cathy observed a geographic pattern in UFO sightings and developed a strategy to analyze the data. He found that these sightings in New Zealand aligned with a grid he superimposed on a map, and he believed this grid could be extended globally to track UFO sightings. Cathy didn't just stop at UFO sightings, he also collected evidence of natural phenomena caused by his grid. He received reports from pilots around the world about unidentified land-based radio transmitters that matched the dimensions of an underwater object known as the El-Tanin antenna. Cathy believed that a small clandestine group had already discovered the grid and was using it for unknown purposes. Could these underwater anomalies be a result of unknown natural phenomena linked to this global grid? Is there a scientific explanation for these occurrences that we have yet to discover? These are the questions that captivate the scientific community. The mystery of the deep is a vast, unexplored frontier, brimming with potential discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of the natural world. As we continue to explore our oceans, we may yet uncover the secrets these anomalies hold. In our quest to understand the underwater UFO anomalies off the coast of Japan, we've explored a range of theories. We've delved deep into the enigma, peeling back layers of mystery and speculation. We've pondered on the possibility of extraterrestrial life, their potential presence on our planet, and their role in these underwater anomalies. We've also delved into theories about secret military operations with advanced technology, possibly explaining these anomalies. We've explored the idea of unknown natural phenomena, looking at how the Earth's magnetic fields and geological formations could contribute to these perplexing occurrences. In the face of these mysteries, we've found that the most important tool we have is our curiosity. Our thirst for understanding drives us to question, to investigate, and to never stop exploring. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of the ocean. Stay curious and keep exploring.